Most people scroll past greatness because it looks boring at the beginning. A kid in a hoodie, mumbling into a $2 mic. No views, no subscribers, no confident stock, just raw effort and painful consistency. That was MrBeast. What you don't know. What most people never understand is this. Greatness doesn't start with praise, it starts with pain. He was 13 years old when he uploaded his first video. It got barely 100 views in weeks. But something inside him said, do it again. And he did, for 6 years, without fame, without money, without anyone clapping. That's what MrBeast knows, and most people ignore: consistency. Without attention is how legends are born. He didn't blow up in a year, or 2 or 5. MrBeast uploaded over 1,000 videos before the world even started to notice. He was editing till 4 a.m. Uploading, deleting, testing, repeating. He obsessed over retention rates, studied thumbnails like they were sacred texts, watched videos in 0.25x speed, just to analyze pacing, framing, psychology, while others begged for followers. He begged for feedback. What made people stay? What made them click? What made them come back? That's what no one tells you. Before anyone listens to you, you must listen to the craft. There's a phase in every dream where the silence is unbearable. Nobody watches, nobody cares, nobody believes. That silence, it breaks most people, but not Jimmy. MrBeast fed off it, because deep down he knew, if I can survive this loneliness, the rest will be easy. He spent years locked in his room, waking up, scripting, editing, uploading, analyzing, alone. No party invites. No encouragement. No spotlight. Just isolation and obsession. And the universe? It waits to see who can stay committed without applause. MrBeast didn't just work hard. He sacrificed everything. Sleep, friends, even health. He worked to the point of burnout. He studied YouTube so intensely he could predict which video would go viral before it even hit publish. He didn't chase comfort, he chased clarity. What do people really want to watch? What will make them feel something? What will make them remember me? He went broke for his ideas, reinvested every dollar, made videos that lost money, just to keep getting better. That's the cost most people never pay. They want overnight success. He wanted long-term dominance. When the views finally came, they didn't come gradually. They came like a tidal wave. Why? Because the internet rewards those who bleed in silence. He counted to 100,000. On camera. He read the entire dictionary. He spent days buried alive, trapped underwater, locked in isolation. But what people didn't see was the discipline behind the chaos. The intention behind the stunts. The strategy behind the spectacle. MrBeast didn't just go viral by chance. He reverse-engineered every second. His rise wasn't luck. It was engineered through relentless pain, research, failure, and faith. MrBeast didn't have superpowers. He had one belief: if I don't stop, I can't lose. That's it. He wasn't the most charismatic, he wasn't the funniest, he wasn't the richest, but he was the most obsessed. He trained his mind to endure boredom. To keep going when nothing worked. To create momentum. Misery. That's what high performers do. They build discipline when everyone else is waiting for motivation. They move forward even when it hurts. Because deep down they know the pain is shaping you, not stopping you. Here's the part most people never get. Mr. Beast didn't do this just for subscribers. He wanted to give more than he got. To impact more than he impressed. That's why he gives away millions. That's why his videos feel different. Because they're not built on ego, they're built on service. He aligned his heart with humanity, and the universe opened the floodgates. If I can make people smile, if I can change lives with my content, if I can be remembered for something good. That was his mission. And when your mission is pure, your rise becomes inevitable. You're not behind, you're not too late, you're not invisible. You're in the training phase, where the views are low, where the doubts are loud. Where your faith is tested. But hear this. The algorithm can't stop you. The haters can't stop you. The silence can't stop you. Unless you stop yourself. Mr. Beast built an empire from pure belief and brutal commitment. You can too. Just stop needing permission. Start needing progress. What Mr. Beast knows that you don't is that you're already capable. You just haven't suffered long enough to find it yet. And once you do, the world won't just see you. They'll never forget you.